At Restaurant Technologies, we help customers streamline their kitchen operations. Our total oil management solution eliminates the need to manually handle cooking oil, delivering fresh oil and automating used oil disposal solutions. It's one of the dirtiest and most dangerous jobs in the kitchen, made safer and simpler. My name's JP. I've been with Restaurant Technologies for over 2 years as a delivery service driver. Every morning starts at the depot. I load up my truck with fresh oil, complete my pre-trip vehicle checks, and hit the road. On a typical day, I visit between 5 and 15 customers, delivering fresh oil and collecting used oil for recycling. As a delivery service driver, I'm the face of RT. I often head inside to check on customers' equipment, make sure everything's running smoothly, and offer training support if needed. My goal is to leave every customer smiling and confident in our service. What I love most is that no 2 days are ever the same. And compared to other CDL roles I've had, where I was constantly loading and unloading heavy freight, this job is a breeze. We simply pull the hose from the truck, connect it to the customer's port, and pump in fresh oil while removing the used oil. It's clean and easy compared to most roles. I'm grateful for the depot leadership and my team, who are always there to support my questions and ideas. Restaurant Technologies has helped me grow. I cross-trained as a service technician and was promoted to a depot specialist role. Now, I flex between technician and delivery service driver duties, which keeps things interesting and helps me build new skills. At Restaurant Technologies, the pay and benefits are competitive, and the schedule is great. I typically work 3 13-hour days on local routes, which gives me 4 days off every week. That's time I get to spend with my 3 amazing kids, and time to unwind. I love hiking with my dog Zoe at Minnehaha Falls and grabbing a bite at Sea Salt Eatery. They're one of our favorite customers. If you're a CDL driver looking for a rewarding, customer-focused career with a true work-life balance, you'll love it here. At Restaurant Technologies, we go all in on your wellness, growth, support, safety, and development. Are you ready to go all in on your career? Apply today